Good morning, everybody. My name is Satya. Today I will teach you how to make vegetable block painting. Let's start it. Things we will need: some paper, some bulb for color. We need some colors, some paintbrush to paint, and some tissue paper to clean your hands. Rub, rub, rub. And vegetable like capsicum, apple, ladyfinger, and some people say this okra also. Potato, garlic, carrot. This vegetable name is bok choy. And celery. We need grown up to cut the vegetables. We will need green color to make some grass. A bit water and mix like this. With a bit more. We will make now stand with green color. Okay. We don't have pink color, that's why we will mix red and white. Let's mix. See, we got that pink. Now we to put lady finger in the pink pot. And now I will add some blue color. Let's start with center. See, it's so nice. We do now do here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I will take red and yellow. We are taking blue and yellow. You know which color will be? Green. Let's do it. See, the center is bringing little bit greens. We are doing salmon here also. Salmon. It is looking very beautiful. You can make like this, same colors, but nice. It's bok choy. We will make rose with black color. Rub, rub. See, like this. Now our rosé is done. Now we will make with potato leaf. We to roll in this little like and now we can make like this. Now we will make one more. How's it looking? How's this looking? Great. Now let's do it again. See, it's so beautiful. Now we can do more roses. Oops. Let's start again. We need color a little bit. We will cover the rest of the vegetable in a part